What's up, this is Nick from SoundSwell. We're at Ayukai Beach Park on the beautiful north shore of Oahu. And we're gonna walk you through a little product demo of how to set up and use your SoundSwell. SoundSwell helps you take your music where you can't take your iPhone and your AirPods. Because of the smartwatch compatibility, you can take your Spotify, Apple Music, or Pandora where you can't take your phone. The watch is on your wrist. It won't connect while you're swimming around underwater or paddling because Bluetooth has a very limited range through water. These are the same adapters that are on your smartwatch's wristband. So as you slide this out and you have your watch, which is basically a waterproof iPod, pop it in, make sure it clicks. Super secure. I can listen to my Spotify playlists. And then thanks to this wipeout proof necklace design, whatever you want to do in the water, this is the best waterproof audio setup on the market.